Welcome to solverfy.
Hi, we have to find the empirical formula of copper sulfide having mass 2.091 gram and copper contained by copper sulfide having mass 1.66 gram. Now from here we can calculate the mass of sulfur, which will equals to the mass of copper sulfide, that is 2.091 gram, minus copper of mass of copper, that is 1.66, which will give 0.425 gram. So this is the mass of sulfur. Now we will find the percent of copper in copper sulfide, which is equals to the mass of copper, that is 1.66 gram, divided by the total mass of copper sulfide, that is 2.091, which will give, and also multiply by 100, so which will give 79.67%. Similarly, we will find the percent of sulfur in copper sulfide compound, which will equals to the 0.425 gram, the mass of sulfur, divided by 2.091 gram, the mass of copper sulfide, which multiply by 100 will give 20.32%. Now we will find further the moles of copper in this copper sulfide molecule, which will equals to the mass percent of copper in copper sulfide, that is 79.67, divided by its molar mass of copper, that is 63.55, which will give 1.25. Now similarly we will find the moles of sulfur present in this copper sulfide molecule. So 20.32, the mass percent of sulfur divided by its molar mass, that is 32, will give 0.635. Now we will find the smallest whole number ratio for copper and sulfur in this way. So smallest whole number ratio for copper, we will divide the moles by the smallest number of mole, that is 0.635. So 125 divided by 0.635, which will give approx 1.96, means it will equals to 2. And for sulfur we will divide 0.635 with 0.635 and get 1. So the empirical formula for copper sulfide molecule is Cu2 and S. So this is the empirical formula of compound. So I hope you found this solution useful. Thank you.